Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes and day one of kicking off the week of outfit of the day. So unfortunately today I actually have to go to a viewing. A good friend of my sister's passed away. It is somebody I've known my entire life and was actually at the hospital the day I was born. So even though it was a friend of my sister, she's been a part of my life in my entire time. So it's very sad. On top of that, we found out today my father-in-law most likely won't live past today. There's nothing else the doctors can do for him. He was in the hospital for cancer treatment, and unfortunately, he did not survive the treatment. His body did not cooperate as had hoped. So with that sad news, what am I wearing today? So I am wearing a pair of skinny black trousers that I've got from Banana Republic years ago. They had the slash pockets here on the side. They're, I think, made out of wool. They're loose enough in my waist, like there's no room here or issue in the waist. They're comfortable in the tush, but as usual, the legs, the calves are extremely tight. But honestly, because they're not tight anywhere else, I don't think anyone's going to notice that they're skin tight on my calves. And again, I'm only going to be there for a couple of hours. It's, to pay my respects. I have on a White House black marklet sleeveless shell from way many years ago. It's a size small, so I'm thinking it might have even been pre-2018, probably 2016. It's black and it has tiny little white flowers with a little, like, I would call it brownish kind of colored center. And I am wearing it with a black blazer that I got from Ever Eve 9 million years ago. Well, 2018. The name brand is Jameson, and I got it on sale for like 40 bucks. And it's just your basic black blazer. And I think this is probably appropriate for a viewing, and I have on my black slingback pumps. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it's actually Sunday when I'm filming this, but I will insert this in the appropriate place. This was my outfit for Monday when we learned my father-in-law had passed away and we had to go visit my mother-in-law to be with her. So what did I wear for this somber event? I wore, and we weren't leaving her house. I thought maybe we might have to go to a funeral home or something like that, but I did not leave the house with her. I threw on this black faux leather jacket or blazer to keep myself warm. Underneath, I have on a t-shirt that is just a little bit glorified with some organza puff sleeves. This is by Sanctuary, the t-shirt. Don't remember, I think maybe I got it out of a Trendsend. The jacket is Macy's INC. And the pants are a pull-on style from Sanctuary. They're like a ponte knit that are black and green check, and I wore them with my black clog mules by, I believe these are Franco Sardo. Franco Sardo, that I ordered directly from Stitch Fix Freestyle. And we didn't go anywhere, but this is what I ended up wearing that day. All right. That is it. This is my last outfit I had to show you. You'll see the rest of the outfits continuing on in this video. And hopefully next week will be a lot more spring-like outfits to share with you. Take care, and until next time. Hello everyone, it is Tuesday and you're probably wondering what happened to Monday. So unfortunately my father-in-law passed away Sunday evening and we had to rush up to go see my mother-in-law Monday, so no time for a video. Plus I was not really in any condition to do a video yesterday. If I get a chance, I'll insert later this week into Monday what I wore, so you can get an idea, maybe if you have a funeral or a wake to go to, what you would wear. We actually did not leave my mother-in-law's house yesterday. His children from a previous marriage handled all his affairs, and we basically just stayed beside my mother-in-law and grieved with her. So I'll go try and give you an idea what outfit that I wore for that. And today I'm back to work. We're gonna have his life celebration this coming Saturday. But today, because I didn't get any sleep much over the weekend and yesterday, I decided not to go to the gym today, and I wanted to be comfy. So I wore this sweatshirt from Ever Eve. This is, brand new, nice and soft fleece and cozy on the inside. We're only getting into the upper 50s here today, and it's just yucky out as usual. It's been yucky. It was actually a beautiful day yesterday, but it's been yucky over the weekend, and now we're back to yuck today. And I'm wearing my Judy blue jeans. These are one of my original Stitch Fix purchases back in 2018. I like these because they're stretchy and comfy, but they're not the skinny style, so they're not stuck to my calves. They're actually like a straight leg that I can cuff. And yeah, I'm wearing my new sneakers, again, super comfy. These are by Dolce Vita, and they're a slip-on without a tie, and I am not going anywhere today. I'm just back to work, and I'm gonna let my boss know I'm here physically, but probably not here mentally. All right, take care, and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday, 7:25 in the morning, and I'm trying to get back to a routine. Went back to the gym this morning, he showered, ate some breakfast, and did some laundry, and it is 7:25, and here I am doing outfit of the day. It's a little overcast outside. Sun isn't quite as bright and strong out yet, so I have my ring light on. What am I wearing today? You guys have seen this outfit before, but I like to wear things a couple times before the season ends. This is a White House black market top. It is just white with olive stripes. It is, I think, long sleeves, 3/4 sleeves, okay? Has a little bit of a puff here at the shoulder. I like this top. For a while there, I wasn't into stripes at all. Now I kind of like them. Depends on the stripe. With it, I paired this itchy, however you want to say it, jacket. It's a blazer from Front Door Fashion. I like this blazer. If you don't have a ponte knit blazer, you need to get one. Because they're like a sweat jacket, but they look so put together, in my opinion. So yeah, I like this. It's very soft. It's like wearing a sweat jacket, but it looks a lot, dressier. I also have my White House black market military inspired wide leg jeans. Because the jeans have these silver buttons for decoration here on the side, I decided to wear silver as my jewelry. Usually I would wear gold with olive because I just think certain things look better with gold and others look better with silver. But because of the jeans, I decided to stick with silver. And I put on my Jessica Simpson mules from 10,000 years ago. Seriously, these are, gosh, if you told me, these could easily be from as early as 2012. My foot size never changed. I think these are kind of a classic. They're a pointed toe mule. Why did I choose these shoes? Because I was lazy and didn't feel like putting anything on my feet, and these can just slide right on and off. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday about 7:45 in the morning, and it's overcast outside. So again, I have my ring light on, and I'm sorry for the video quality. You'll be like, why is the video quality so bad? It's my lack of lighting, that's why. So some days I get great lighting and other days I don't, depending on Mother Nature. All right, so what am I wearing today? I looked in my closet and realized I hadn't worn this jacket in a while, so I pulled it out and did my outfit around this jacket. This is a coated denim jacket in black that I got from Stitch Fix. Matter of fact, my entire outfit today is pretty much Stitch Fix. I believe the brand name is Prosperity. I'm wearing it with this sleeveless market and spruce stripe black and white, or black and off-white striped top. I like this top because I like the difference in the banding here. However, when they did that, the stripes on the side then don't match up. But I'm okay with that because I put a jacket on. And this is a quite old knit top. Oh, and there is a zipper, hopefully you can see that, down the back, okay? Yeah, like this knit top, had it in my wardrobe for years, probably 2019, maybe 2020. With it, I have paired my only black pair of denim, which I feel are too short for me. I think in jeans and pants, I need to do a regular if I want to wear my heels. And these are, I believe, by Pistola, and they're petite, and that's why they're just a tad too short on me. And again, I'm lazy, so I wore my mules from Jessica Simpson because I could just slide them on and slide them off. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, it is Friday and I'm bringing in all the spring vibes with this outfit. I have not yet put on any kind of jewelry. Got up, went to the gym, went to my nutritionist, came home, was starving, ate myself, took care of the rabbit. Here I am. So what do I have on? It's not that warm outside, but I wanted to wear this outfit. This is a pink top blouse that I got from Nordstrom, I believe Trunk Club. It has a zipper here on the side, but I never need to unzip it to get it over. It's the wrap style. I believe the name brand is Vera Moda. I'm not 100% positive. It is textured in this gorgeous bubblegum pink. Puff sleeves, love it. It is a crop style, but as you can see, no tummy showing. The pants are from Driftwood. I got them from a Wantable. Total spring vibes with the embroidery being flowers and the pink top. And my pink shoes, which are BP by Nordstrom. They don't quite match the top, but I think it works with this outfit. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Sunday, but I'm actually showing you Saturday's outfit. This is what I wore to my father-in-law's life remembrance gathering. So I ended up wearing this Loft, like Chanel inspired blazer. I got it at Loft this spring. I paired it with this ivory like mock neck that is sleeveless that I got from Trendsend, and I paired it with a pair of navy blue straight leg ponte knit pants by Liverpool, and I don't know where I got these from. Very well could have been Stitch Fix, very well could have been Mix and Match. All I know is it was the first time I was wearing them because I still had the plastic tag hanging out on them. How terrible is that? I've probably had them since 2020, all right? And this, or maybe even 19, and this is the first time I was wearing them. And I am wearing a pair of Sanctuary shoes. They're extremely comfortable. And this is what I wore all day to, you know, remember my father-in-law and greet other people who are grieving his loss. All right, and that is it. And I got one more outfit to show you to insert in this video. Hi everyone, it is Sunday and I'm very happy this week is over. So yesterday we ended up going to the gathering to remember the life of my father-in-law. We went up to my mother-in-law's. Some very good friends of ours came out from New York, and I really appreciate that they were with us during this difficult time. They came out on Saturday morning. My daughter came home Friday night, and all of us went there Saturday to my mother-in-law, spent the whole day there, came home last night, pretty much went to bed right after that. They left early this morning, and I just dropped my daughter off at the bus stop so she can return to college. She still has 2 more weeks of classes. So what am I wearing for all this, all right? So today I am wearing this bomber jacket. I'll come a little bit closer. It's tweed, and it's by Blank NYC. I got this at Bloomingdale's. It has all these pretty colors in it. There's some blue, there's some green, but majority is like this hot pink and like this orangey, like hot orange, I would call it. Yeah, and with it I'm wearing this pink camisole that I got from a Trunk Club. It came as part of the twin set. The sweater that came with it just completely fell apart and looked like a rag after me washing it. It was one of Nordstrom's own name brands. And I'll be honest with you, I have not had much success with their own name brands. So I also have on a pair of White House Black Market cargo pants that need washing. I was eating my peppers this morning. I dropped the pepper on it and there is a stain. I tried to get it out, but these need to go into the wash. And oh yeah, I'm wearing my pink BP slides, and that is what I am wearing today. All right, so this is Sunday, and I'm actually showing you this video with last week's thing, and I'll start off a new week on Monday or tomorrow. So take care. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Until next time.